Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're learning something new, something amazing that has been launched by Gmail. It's the new features launched yesterday by the Gmail account, by the Google, into Gmail settings. So with these settings, you can do a lot of new things. So for that, all you have to do, go to this option called settings. And in here, the Google has uploaded four main things, the four main features that you have not seen before. First of all, we'll cover this one. So we are currently seeing this as a default. You can see there are kind of tiny bit gaps and it's showing that somebody sent you a file or what, and that is standard view, that is a default view. But you can make it more comfortable by clicking on this second option, the comfortable view, which is easy to see many emails together, and the file attachment can be seen on the right side down here. You can see the file attachment. You can see it easily. On the other hand, you can even click the compact option that will compact many messages together. So on one page, you can see approximately 100 email together. But in another video, we'll also tell you how you can maximize the email on the first page. So we'll move on to the second option called view themes. So this is the main theme that is being used. We're currently using. We can even change it. So Google has launched amazing themes. Like currently we're using the default theme. You can see more themes option in here. For example, if I go with the black theme and we'll click it and see, wow, this is so amazing, and this is comfortable for my eyes comparatively using the older theme. This is the second option. You can change the color of your whole Gmail account, your whole theme account. You can even change it to this ideal building colors. You can make it much better, but I'll stay on the dark for this time. And again, we'll move on to the this option called inbox type. So in here, first we are on the default manager. In here, the inbox is simple, but I think I would click on the important email first. This looks more important because this was missing. We all wanted it. We all wanted to answer the important emails first. For this is the best option. Click on important first, and that way you look at this. All the important email are on the first page. And if you want to keep the unread on first, the stared at first, the priority inbox, whatever an option that is going to suit your category, you think that this is going to suit my category for replying the email, you're gonna select that one. Even the multiple inboxes, you can even click on multiple inboxes. In here you can see the drafts, the inbox, and all that. And here we move again, keeping everything at default, and we'll move down to the third option, that is reading pane. So in the reading pane, normally we have the no split, which means there is no split between the email and the reading page. So even if I can click on the right of inbox, so we can see how much storage is left. So you can see you are currently using 0.21 GB and all that. On the right side, it will tell you how much you have used and since when you have logged in last time, every detail. And then you can put it on the below side, on the lower side, you can see it. In here, you can select anyone. But I think in this option, the no split would be better. And these are the coming and just launched by Gmail account, especially the theme thing we all have been waiting for. We have seen it in Twitter, we have seen it in Google, we have seen it everywhere, the theme changer. But this is an important change we all wanted and we always wanted it. If you think we have helped you in this video, make sure to leave us a comment and what you think that Gmail account, something new they should add in Gmail account. Leave in the comment box below, and we'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.